Capercaillie, mountain giant. It is a huge bird belonging to the cruiser family and is considered one of the largest species in this category. This bird lives in the northern forests of Europe and Asia. It prefers dense coniferous forests. Male cappercaillie are large and have luxurious dark-colored plumage, while females are smaller and have more muted colors. This bird is famous for its exciting mating displays, where the male makes deep, loud sounds to attract females. The cappercaillie lives in mixed conifer forests where it finds food and shelter, prefers to live in areas far from human activity.